It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Beware of whales. Creating $250,000 worth of Shiba Inu coins from $100 in just 7 days. Upcoming Shiba publications. In spite of the somewhat gloomy Shiba Inu price movement, the burn rate increased significantly from February to March. According to Bitcoin, one of the reasons for this trend is the still relatively unknown Koyo project, which is built on Shibarium. Other than the fact that it will be constructed on Shibarium, not much is known on the project at this time. Staking, lending, and borrowing are all part of the decentralized finance DeFi applications that this project intends to facilitate. Here we'll go over Whale Alert, a tool that can transform $100 into $250,000 worth of Shiba Inu coins in just 1 week. Shiba updated today. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. The Koyo token is the network's native cryptocurrency and a payment method on the platform. Furthermore, the Koyo project is making waves, particularly due to the ship burning. A staggering 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens had been burned by Monday's endeavor, amounting to approximately $50,000. Plus, Koyo isn't planning to stop there. Koyo destroyed an additional 733.02 million Shiba on Tuesday. Shiba Inu's wallet, which is now dead, received the tokens. Once again, the majority of yesterday's Shiba burn may be attributed to Koyo. According to Shibur, out of 758.95 million Shiba Inus, approximately 25 million Shiba burned in the past 24 hours by other parties. It is worth around $3.4 million to see that Koyo's address still has 3,111.98 billion Shiba according to Etherscan. As a result, Koyo has a great opportunity to help bring Shiba burns back into the spotlight. This was hinted at today by Kenta No, founder of Koyo, via Twitter. According to him, Koyo might burn through half of its profits on Shiba. In February, community-led burn initiatives reduced the value of 352.21 million Shiba in 128 distinct transactions. Thus, it was a considerable decline from January of the previous year. There were 223 trades that burned around 1.112 billion. I thought the burn figures were looking good before February. There were 349 trades involving 2.072 billion Shiba in December 2022. There were 381 trades involving 1.922 billion Shiba in November. There were 2,433 trades in October totaling 9.05 billion Shiba. Right now, Shiba is at a crossroads on the one-day chart. Since early February, the price has been attempting to exit the downtrend channel. To get out of the bearish zone, we need to break the 200-day exponential moving average EMA slightly above it. An uptrend in Shiba's price might be confirmed in the medium term if the daily close is higher than the 200-day exponential moving average, which is now at 0.0 points. Because of the many variables that affect Bitcoin prices and the unpredictable nature of the market, predicting their future values is difficult. It is feasible to forecast the price of Shiba in 2023, though, by looking at existing patterns and market data. By the year's end of 2023, Wallet Investor predicts that Shiba will be worth 0.095. Assuming the cryptocurrency market stays bullish and Shiba's adoption rate keeps increasing, this prediction is made. According to coin price forecasts, Shiba's value could reach 0.05060 by the year 2023's conclusion, according to another price estimate. A technical study of Shiba's price action and market tendencies formed the basis for this forecast. Although these forecasts offer a glimpse into the possible price fluctuations of Shiba, keep in mind that they are in no way guaranteed. The price of Shiba may go through big swings in the future because to the extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu has been trending heavily on social media recently, which seems to coincide with this year's National Puppy Day. This year's National Puppy Day is on March 23rd, and Binance.us recently celebrated by mentioning Shiba Inu. This deception was the exchange's way of showing their appreciation for the dog-themed digital asset, which has gained international attention because to the community's unwavering support and the asset's potential. In honor of National Puppy Day, the official Binance.us Twitter account posted photos of some of the team's furry pets. The account also tweeted a picture of a puppy called Masha wearing jeans with the logos of several cryptocurrency-related firms stitched onto them, such as the Shiba Inu brand and the Binance logo. On a yearly basis, Americans celebrate National Puppy Day to honor canines and call for more adoptions from shelters. The annual event is held on March 23rd. In 2006, animal behaviorist and specialist in pet lifestyle Colleen Page established the day. Crypto enthusiasts have designated National Puppy Day to honor the rise of dog-themed digital assets like Shiba Inu, which began as pranks but has since become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies thanks to its inclusive and welcoming community. A person or group going by the alias Ryoshi released Shiba Inu in August of 2020. Prominent and famous around the world, the asset quickly surpassed other important digital assets in terms of market capitalization and rose to the position of 14th largest cryptocurrency. The enthusiasm surrounding the Shibarium network is building, so this year's celebration is happening at the same time as Shiba Inu's increased social activities. Recently, Shiba Inu's social activity reached a 3-month high of 47.88K, as revealed by Lunar Crush. The community has been requesting network documentation ever since the Shibarium beta launched. Developers have finished working on the documentation, but it is currently undergoing quality assurance reviews, as revealed yesterday by the Shibarium group admin. To facilitate the expansion of the Shibarium ecosystem, the Shiba launcher unveils innovative technology that will change the way people participate in the network's initial token sale. There will soon be a groundbreaking debut of technologies on the Shibarium blockchain by the inventive IDEO Launchpad. The goal of this technology is to facilitate the decentralized and secure fundraising of funds for the Shibarium Inu project by radically altering the current norms for early-stage token sales, and guaranteeing that investors only put their money into legitimate IDEO launches. Not only is the popular community-driven IDEO Launchpad, Shiba, making waves in the DeFi industry, but it is also establishing itself as a frontrunner on the Shibarium network. Shiba Launcher is aiming to become a leading DeFi platform with its decentralized IDEO Launchpad platform, which prioritizes openness, accessibility, and community engagement. The Shiba Launcher ecosystem has the ability to revolutionize the DeFi market, and we can't wait to keep developing our project and finding ways to ensure that everyone can safely and easily participate in the early-stage token sales on Shibarium network, said. Hiro Kijo is the principal developer of the Shiba Launcher. With a minimum investment of 10 million Shiba, investors can join the Shiba token presale and become holders of the native token of the Shiba Launcher ecosystem. Shila is the utility and governance token that Shiba Launcher has released. Shiba Launcher has attracted a dedicated fan base in a short amount of time, which is great news for investors looking to earn some extra cash through staking and other methods. Shiba Launcher is well positioned to become a major participant in the DeFi sector, which is experiencing fast growth. Founders that wish to launch their projects on the Shibarium network and holders of the native token Shila have access to a number of functionalities through the Shiba Launcher. Shila token holders will have access to a number of features, such as a guaranteed allocation to credible IDOs on Shibarium, farming pools, the Assets Bridge protocol, the ability to create and stake tokens, and a voice in governance. With Shiba Launcher, users can simply launch their projects and bring their ideas to life, contributing to the growth of the digital economy inside the Shibarium ecosystem. After Shibarium's beta release, the Shiba Inu saw a huge influx of whales. In a series of transactions, more than 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth around $263 million left the prominent cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com for an anonymous wallet. The fact that the deal hasn't gone viral just yet has the Shiba Army confused. A large amount of Shiba was sent to a self-custody wallet in 6 separate transactions by an anonymous Ethereum address, as reported by the blockchain analytics and tracker Whale Alert. There was a small difference between the two transfers, but the biggest whale deal happened on March 20th, between 9.6 and 9.38 AM UTC. The value of the transferred meme tokens was around $263 million as of this writing. There has been a change in the storage location for all transferred Shiba Inu tokens. So concludes today's activity.